What's going on, Nixon? We're eating chicken. But there's a problem with Nixon eating chicken tonight. He is giving it to the dogs. Are you gonna give it to Jersey again? It's pretty funny. I drop it, and it goes right in her mouth. Problem is eventually Jersey's gonna just jump up and snap his fingers. Are you gonna eat those? Are you gonna eat those tonight? Those look good. Are they? Oh, I didn't know that they were for your hair. You're eating it though. I'm happy you're eating it. Hey, Nixon! Where's Jersey? There's Jersey, waiting patiently. She's like, but Nixon, where is my chicken? Where is my chicken? Alright, should we finish the rest of your dinner? Seeing as how you're not feeding her anymore, and that's what I thought was kind of funny, even though we're trying to teach you not to. Alright. You seem to really like it now. Good job. Good job. Where's Jersey? What's she doing? Should we feed one just to have her laugh? You're so funny. Oh good, one for you, one for her. One for you, one for Jersey. She eats a lot fast. Oh no, it's not even one for you. You're gonna spit out the one. You didn't even eat yours. Okay, no, seriously, it's not funny anymore. Mommy can't laugh. Okay, Nixon, you gotta eat your dinner, okay? Nixon. Hey, you. Eat your dinner, boy. Uh-oh. Let me guess where that's going. Look at it, it's Jersey eating up all the droppings. Okay, last piece. And you dropped it. Alright. Back to the rest of your dinner. Bye. Say bye, Nixon. Bye. Bye.